So this drill is an imaginary numbers review, and I know it looks a little odd the way it's set up, but what you're supposed to do, and you can just do this on your own paper, is some of the things in this, if you want to call it a puzzle, are things that need solving, and some are answers. You know it's an answer if there's nothing else you can do to it. For instance, 7 minus 10i. That's going to be an answer. That's going to be something that when I finish a problem, I'll get this as an answer. This right here, 3 plus or minus the square root of 31 over 4. That's going to be an answer. Negative 2 plus or minus 2i. That's going to be an answer. 26 would be an answer. Negative 3 plus 3i, that would be an answer. Negative 39 minus 80i, that would also be an answer. So all of those are going to be answers. I'm trying to think if there's any others. I think that's it. And then what I have to do is go through and solve each of the problems, and I'll know I got it right if I can find my answer. For instance, let's do this one down here. Get my like terms together. 5 and negative 8 is negative 3. Negative 7i and 10i is 3i. So I'm looking for negative 3 plus 3i, and I see it right there. So then I can have confidence that I got the right answer. All right, let's try this one here. This one looks like one where I'm going to need to use the quadratic formula. So A is 1, B is 4, C is 8. I'm going to do X equals opposite of B, negative 4, plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 8, all divided by 2 times 1. So I get negative 4 plus or minus, it would help if I zoomed up on this particular problem while I'm doing it. Okay. When I put this into my calculator, I get negative 16 all over 2. So I'm going to keep going. I get x equals negative 4 plus or minus. The square root of 16 is 4, and the square root of negative 1 is I, divided by 2. Every one of these can be divided by 2. So I get x equals negative 2 plus or minus 2i over 1. So I'm finished. That's my answer, and I did have that answer in my puzzle. I'm going to zoom back out right here. Negative 2 plus or minus 2i. Right, so that's pretty much what you're supposed to do. So you're going to go through and you can do each problem, and you should be able to find your answer highlighted here. And if you don't, then you know you made a mistake in your work and you need to try to redo your work. It's just like a little, I don't want to say fun, but just an interesting way to be able to hear the problems and the answers. I put them all there for you so that you can know whether or not you got it right. If you can't find your answer, then you need to go back and find your mistake.